Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing the recipe of a Keto Shrikhand with you. Now Shrikhand is an Indian dessert and it's very popular at festivals, and there are certain festivals that we have to have Shrikhand. Now it is traditionally also eaten with puri, which is a puffed bread, and I've shared a recipe of that on my channel already. I'm going to link that in the description as well as on the screen, so check that out. If you eat it in this combination, you're going to fall in love with it. So most of the ingredients anyways in this are ketogenic. What we need is a hung curd. So I'm going to initially start with showing you how to make hung curd. It's very simple. Don't get scared of it. Try it out. So here I have some homemade yogurt or curd. You can even use a store-bought curd or yogurt, but it's not going to be as healthy because it's not probiotic. But anything works for the recipe. And I have a system here where I have a nut milk bag. It's a thick cotton bag, but if you have any kind of muslin cloth or any cotton cloth, you can use that. So I have put my yogurt in it, and there's a strainer under it and another pot under it to hold all the water that comes out. On top of this, I'm going to put a weight. You can even hang this, and that way too you can drain the water. We're going to let it sit for 1 or 2 hours. So about 1 hour later, you can see there is a lot of water that comes out of it. I have gotten rid of it. That water can be used to make roti doughs or any traditional doughs. And this is a ring that my daughter has made for me, and she challenged me to wear it during the video, and that's the reason I'm showing it to you guys. We can see 1 hour later we have most of the water gone, but it still needs to drain out a little more water. So I'm going to put it back in the same position and wait for another hour or so. So now our hung curd is ready and we just have to flavor it. So there are just a few simple flavorings, but of course you can kick it up another notch. If you like any other flavorings, you can always add them, like vanilla. You can have even a chocolate Shrikhand, which is not common, but you could. Mango Shrikhand is another recipe which is very common and easily available in India. So you can add a little bit of mango essence and maybe like half a mango in a bunch of Shrikhand, because this is a heavy food. You're not going to land up eating a lot of Shrikhand unless you're in love with Shrikhand, but then you're going to have to stop yourself from doing that because you're on keto. This is hung curd, and it's absolutely ketogenic because the water from the curd goes away, or the yogurt goes away, which holds a lot of the carbs, and this is mostly fat and some of the milk solids. So this is completely safe to eat on keto. So let's work on the flavorings. I have a pinch of saffron, and I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of warm water to that, and we are going to let it sit so all the flavors from the saffron will come out. And we have also taken 1.5 tablespoons of a blend of stevia and erythritol by Zevik. I've taken a couple of cardamom pods, and I'm going to open them and take the seeds inside, and I'm going to grind the sweetener as well as the cardamom together. From yogurt made from 1 liter of milk, we got 350 to 400 grams hung curd. I've added 2 tablespoons of, so adding the cream cheese, which is not tangy, really helps because the texture is very similar. So at this point I have added our saffron water. This is buchanania seeds or chironji or tsarori, and I'm going to add that in, and some pistachio nuts. So I have chopped them and I've added that and mixed the whole thing together. I'm serving this, and on top of it I have added some more of those seeds and nuts and some more of the saffron, and look how beautiful it looks. If you guys have enjoyed watching the recipe, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell right next to it to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. Also share pictures if you make it on my social media handles. Everything, all the information is in the description. And thanks for watching. Bye.